In this video, we're going to factor with cubes. So when I'm factoring, I ask myself a list of questions. The first thing I ask is there a greatest common factor? And the answer is no. The second thing I do is I look at the number of terms. So I notice that my number of terms is 2. So I have to ask myself, are these terms squares or cubes? So I notice that 1 is a square number, but 216 is not. I also notice that there's a cube on here on that exponent, so these are probably cubes. So since I've determined that it's cubes, I start by setting up a binomial times a trinomial, and I put my signs in first. Remember, my first sign goes with whatever this is, so it's got to be a plus. My last sign is a plus, meaning my other sign has to be a minus. So my last sign is always a plus. So your sign pattern is either plus, minus, plus, or minus, plus, plus, depending upon what you start with. Then we are going to take the cubed root of the first term, which would be 6x, and then we're going to take the cubed root of the last term, which would be 1. Then I'm squaring this first term, which would be 36x squared. And then I'm squaring this back term, which would just be 1. And then I'm multiplying these together and ignoring the signs, which would be 6x. And that's it. You've got it factored by cubes.